In order to brand HR as a strategic business partner, HR leaders would need to possess certain qualities. While past accomplishment may be noteworthy, the HR leader should focus on future challenges and business strategies. To develop an influential department, the leader must have the following qualities. So let's see that qualities. Number first, clarity of thought and sense of direction. HR leaders must be able to see the bigger picture and may work as one of the major growth engines for the organization. Business acumen. Number second, the word acumen means keenness and depth of perception, especially in practical matters. Business acumen is an art that may be cultivated with regular practice. It is an art of linking an insightful assessment of external business landscape with the keen awareness of how to enhance profitability and then executing the strategies to deliver the desired result. Number third, patience. In a recent interview for Fast Company magazine, Steve Ballmer, Chief Executive Officer of Microsoft, emphasized the importance of impatience for succeeding in business. He explained the product and business go through three phases: vision, patience, and execution. And he said the patience stage is the toughest and most uncomfortable. Number fourth, fairness. In a turbulent global economy, the dilemma among the business and HR fraternity continues, especially in cases when the decision is either to indulge in unfair process, implement short-term strategies and quick fixes, or to take a patient long-term approach towards sustainable development. Though there is always a freedom of choice, the consequences are usually correlated to the path that either the business or HR chooses. Number fifth, self-discipline. HR leaders will normally be confronted with situations requiring negotiation. Self-control is the essence of negotiation. Focus on your own objective and how you can best achieve them, and step back from the situation as needed to gain new perspective. The greatest obstacle is not to the opposition, it is the we. Number six, risk taking ability. Risk taking is an integral part of business and life. It is thus relevant for HR leaders to take calculated risk in dealing with people and impacting the bottom line of the business. So that's all for today's video. Please do like and subscribe my channel.